Where do we go bust your speaker?
Yo, Wagwan, there's a quick one. I want to show you guys how I recorded. I know this is handheld today, but yeah, I want to show you guys how I recorded this song.
Where do we go bust your speaker?
By Reminisce. Most people thought I recorded it by sampling an old record, so I want to show you how I did it here in the studio. So let's go, let's watch the video.
So just be sick. See. Oh yeah, come. Just come.
It's sweeter. I tell you. It is sweeter.
Come, oh yeah. Come on, help me to do something. You do. This kind badu I go want you. This kind badu.
Okay. This kind badu I go want you. This kind badu. This kind badu I go want you. This kind badu. This kind badu I go want you. This kind badu.
Okay, yeah, so there you have it. The key point is to make sure you always record your sample. Try as much as possible to make your sample sound the way you want it to before going into your DAW, so that way you have total control. At least, even if you don't have the knowledge to take you like to your destination, you can still have it be as good as. Don't try to now tweak. If you know that a sample is supposed to be a female voice, don't try to tweak it to go sound like a female voice. Get a female singer to do it. It will not cost you a lot, Get a female singer to do it, so that way you are in charge. You are in charge of what the sound should sound like, of what the sample should sound like. When you hear that now, you think it's all these fella people that did it. So yeah. The reason why we've not been releasing stuff is I just put out the new music, Time and Place, featuring Victoni and Starboy Terry, and yeah, it's amazing. So I've been going up and down to, if I had known that it would be this, I would have recorded the videos like down for you guys. But yeah, it is what it is. So do well to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm sorry we've not been recording and you're wondering why I just used the session of this hotel to do it. So yeah, I've recorded more videos, but it's not going to be like this. I promise it's going to be better, but not to leave you guys for too long without doing something. I have something special coming next. I think I don't know, but yeah, I just had to do this here on my phone and let you understand that I did for you guys. Peace.